Welcome to the home theater soundbar factory. Let's go inside and see how high quality sound is made. The lines are already humming, everything spotless and automated.
All raw materials start here: metal for frames, plastic for the body, and electronic parts for the circuits.
Laser cutters slice the metal into perfect pieces that form the base of every soundbar.
These robotic arms bend the metal precisely to give the frame its final shape.
Plastic pellets are melted and injected into molds to create the soundbar's outer shell.
This is the circuit assembly line, where all the tiny electronic parts are placed with robotic precision.
The boards move through a soldering section where connections are fixed permanently.
Each circuit is tested for power flow and performance before moving to the next stage.
9 screwdrivers are installed carefully. They're the main source of powerful sound.
Completing the front design.
In this line, all components come together. Circuits, body, and speakers become one product.
Unit gets its firmware, the program that manages Bluetooth, volume, and equalizer settings.
Every soundbar is tested for audio clarity, bass, and volume balance.
Every soundbar is inspected visually to make sure the design and finish are perfect.
Products, block color soundbars, are paired with cables, manuals, and remotes, then packed snugly for travel. A quick press of tape seals each carton, a label drops into place, and
finally, the soundbars are shipped worldwide, straight from this factory to music lovers everywhere.